Hey guys, welcome to SweetieSembly, where I show you how to assemble your baby gear. In this video, instead of showing you how to assemble the BabyTrend high chair, I'm going to go over all of its features and show you how to operate it. To see more videos like this one, make sure to subscribe and hit that bell button. Okay, let's get to it. First, I'll go over some of the features of the high chair. You can actually remove the white tray for cleaning. Pull on the lids sticking out on the sides of the tray, and then pull up until it comes right off. Clean, then push the tray back on. You can also store the tray on the back legs of the high chair. Remove the tray and hang it on the points sticking out on the back legs. You can adjust the footrest by pressing on the side buttons and pushing the footrest up or down. Now I'm going to show you how to adjust the height of the shoulder straps. You unlatch the shoulder straps from the bottom buckle, then go to the back of the seat. There you will see the end flaps of the shoulder straps hanging out. You flatten the flap and push it through the slot in the back, and then push it through the top slot. Do the same with the other strap. To turn the brakes on, you push the lever on, the wheels down. To turn them off, you pull the levers up. To recline the chair, you pull the back lever up and pull the chair down. To fold the chair up, you must recline the seat all the way up. Take the tray off and place it on the back legs. Took me 3,000 tries to get this right. Then push the side levers of the legs up and close the legs together. The chair will stay standing in this mode, and you can put it to the side or storage. Me struggling to open this damn thing. To unfold the chair, you pull the side levers up more to unlock and pull the legs apart. Now I'll show you how to remove the seat cover. You unhook the shoulder straps from the waist straps, which was no easy feat. They need to make these sleep-deprived parent brood. And done. Whew! Take the shoulder pads off. Unhook the elastics at the back of the chair. Pull the cover off. And pull the shoulder straps out from the cover. Push the cover down so you can see the ends of the waist strap. Flatten the ends and pull them out from the back slots. Then pull them out from the cover. Unhook the elastics near the back of the seat. Pull the bottom buckle out from the cover and you're done. To put the cover back on, you pull the seat buckle through the cover. Hook the elastics on. Put the waist buckles back on, making sure they face this way. Slip the ends through the cover, then through the slots on the seat. Slip the shoulder straps back through the cover. Hold the cover over the seat. Put shoulder pads back on. Lastly, hook the rear elastics back on.
That is how you operate the BabyTrend high chair and all of its different features. I hope that was useful for you. If it was, subscribe and leave a comment down below. Thank you so much for watching, God bless, and see you in the next video.